The upcoming vacancy gives President Biden his opportunity to fulfill his promise to nominate the first black woman to the Supreme Court. And one of the frontrunners is from right here in South Florida.
U.S. Court of Appeals Judge Ketanji Brown-Jackson grew up here in Miami and graduated from Miami Palmetto Senior High School. That's where we find CBS 4's Joan Murray. She joins us live from Pinecrest with reaction tonight. Joan?
And I spoke this afternoon to her family. They live just a couple miles from here. Her dad said, of course, they are beyond excited and happy, but said it is way too premature to make any statement at this point. Meanwhile, here at Palmetto High, they've had a lot of famous graduates, including Amazon founder Jeff Bezos, and they hope to add her name to the list.
Honestly, not too surprised. I feel like we've had a few famous people and a few successful people come out of the school. So, you know, I'm just waiting until I graduate.
Word that 1988 Palmetto High graduate Ketanji Brown-Jackson is on the short list to become the next U.S. Supreme Court justice is electrifying the school.
To appoint a black woman to the nation's highest court is historically significant because black women have historically been excluded from this exclusive group.
And says Florida Memorial University Dr. Frederick Hunter she could really shake things up on the court.
Offers the opportunity to see another glass ceiling being broken, but also the opportunity to have another black voice on the court that gives light to the experiences of individuals as it relates to today.
Brown-Jackson went from Palmetto High to Harvard for her undergraduate degree, eventually her law degree. She clerked for Justice Stephen Breyer, the man she could replace on the court.
When you become a judge, you take an oath to look only at the law in deciding your cases.
But I think a black female voice speaks to the experiences of black women across the board, not only in thinking about women from rural areas, but thinking about those from urban spaces and how their experiences are very different than the individuals who are represented right now in the Supreme Court.
President Biden has made it clear he won't be naming the nominee for a few weeks, at least well into February. Meantime, here at Palmetto Senior High, they will continue to hope that becomes a reality. In Pinecrest tonight, Joan Murray, CBS 4 News.